Hey there, this is Pranchu Verma and let's get start our next lecture on capacitance. Okay, तो पिछले लेक्चर में in the previous lectures we have already studied about the growth and decay circuits. Okay, अपन लोग उसको अभी थोड़ा ठंडे बस्ते में रखेंगे, so we can complete our capacitance topic. Okay, there is a small topic of Venn digraph generator. Okay, Venn digraph generator. What is this? It is an equipment which can generate a huge potential. Okay, ये वो डिवाइस है, ये जनरेटर जो बहुत ही बड़ा पोटेंशियल इन मेगा वोल्ट्स ओके को जनरेट करने के लिए काम आता है. ही वॉज द साइंटिस्ट वैन डी ग्राफ. ओके, इसका फुल नेम जो भी है आई डोंट केयर, वी डोंट नो, वी डोंट केयर. ओके, देयर इज नथिंग टू रिमेंबर हिज नेम. ओके, सो वैन डी ग्राफ वॉज द साइंटिस्ट who discovered or who invented this device. Okay, this concept is invented by the Venn digraph. So on the behalf of its invention, the name of this generator is Venn digraph generator. Okay, हाँ, तो Venn digraph generator कुछ नहीं है, एक सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है. Let me remind you a single concept of use in Venn digraph generator. So first of all, what he takes a sphere. Okay, he takes a sphere, okay, of radius what? Okay, ठीक है, इसका रेडियस भी ले लेते हैं, of radius r. He considered three things. Okay, first he considered a point P which is out from the sphere, and the radius of P is capital R1, and another point on the surface of this sphere Q, okay, with radius small r, and a point inside the sphere, okay, as P Q R नहीं डालूंगा, S डाल देता हूँ इस पॉइंट को, okay, with radius of R2, capital R2. Okay, now he takes 3 points. ओके, ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि ये जो स्फीयर आप देख रहे हो आर रेडियस का, स्मॉल आर रेडियस का, इट इज़ एन स्फेरिकल शेल. ओके, ही टेक्स एन स्फेरिकल शेल. इसको लिखना उतारना नहीं है, इसको केवल समझना है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, तो देखो जरा, उसने इस शेल पर एक चार्ज दिया Q. A charge was have by the spherical body. Okay, the charge is Q, and then he find the potential at point P, at Q and S. 3 potentials were founded by him. The potential at point P is 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R1. This is the formula, है ना, आपको पता है ये फॉर्मूला है कि if there is a charge and the distance between the point and the charge is R, then the potential, okay, the potential at the point will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Okay, he takes at Q, what will be the potential at Q? This will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon small r. But at point S, what will be the value of potential? Now यहाँ पे हमें एक पता चली बात कि inside the conducting spherical shell, there is no electric field. Why it happens? सुनते जाओ. Why it happens? There is no electric field inside the shell, as all the charge will distribute on the surface of the shell, conducting shell. Only it happens in the case of conductors. Okay, so all the charge will distribute on the surface, so there is no charge inside the shell. And if there is no charge, you know the value of electric field 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. So if there is no charge inside the cell, there will be no electric field. There will be no electric field. All electric field will be outward. Okay, if this positive charge is if it is positive charge, then it will be outward, and if it is negative charge, that will be inward. But inside में zero होगा तब भी, because inside the conductors there is no electric field. Okay. Now if it is happening, so potential inside should be zero. Why should be zero? That, as you know, that कि E dot R is equal to V. Yeah, the differentiation of potential with respect to distance is called electric field, or E dot R equal to V. ये सब एक ही कहानी है. These are all one thing. E into D equal to V, और E into D DL equal to V. ये सब एक ही बात है. ओके, these are one things. अपन लोग हम अपने बेनिफिट्स के लिए कौन सुटेबल है उस टाइम पे, उस पर डिपेंड करती हैं चीज़ें. So now let's see, if there is no electric field inside the shell, then work done to bring a charge from the surface of the shell to the center. To work done to bring a charge from the surface of the shell to the center of the shell will be equal to भाई जितना चार्ज लेके जा रहे हो Q इंटू जो पोटेंशियल एट सरफेस है, सरफेस पे जितना भी पोटेंशियल है वी क्यू, माइनस सेंटर पे जितना है C पॉइंट मान लो यहाँ पे वी सी. तो W क्या हो जाएगा? वी क्यू, एज वी सी विल बिकम जीरो, एज देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा पोटेंशियल. देयर विल बी a work done which will be cause of VQ, and this will be the potential will remain inside the sphere. W by Q क्या होता है? Potential, and which is coming equal to VQ. So inside the sphere the potential is not equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2. It will come equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. It will come equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Did you get it? It was an easy question. It was an easy concept. That concept is used by the Venn diagram in Venn diagram generator. And now let's see the Venn diagram generator. Okay, मैं हटाऊं, ठीक है. Now Venn diagram लिख लो. Venn diagram generator is a device which is used to generate a huge potential difference. Okay, or huge potential energy at the surface of a conductor. यदि आपका थोड़ा सा शोर आ रहा है तो माफ़ी चाहूँगा, मेहमान आए हुए हैं. ओके, तो नाउ लेट्स सी ए डिवाइस ऑफ Venn diagram generator. Okay, initially it is used, ये लिखना है, उतार रहे हैं इसको, इनको लिखते जाओ जो मैं बोलते जा रहा हूँ. Initially Venn diagram generator is used to generate accelerated charge. ओके, यहाँ से ये रोटेट करेगा. इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन अभी समझेंगे हम लोग. ओके, इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन समझना जरूरी है. This is a battery plus minus. Okay, now let's see. This is a conveyor belt. Belt. Conveyor belt. Okay, which is move, and this is a pulley. This is a pulley. Okay, as you know, this is a voltage battery. Okay, and this is metallic brush. Which is connected with this conveyor belt. Okay, now let's see here. What is this? This is a connecting rod which is connecting through a metallic brush. ठीक है. Now what will happen? We take two sphere of different radius. Concentric spheres हैं, ये भी याद रखना. These are concentric spheres. This is small r, this is capital R. Okay, there is a charge plus q on it. Now what will happen? Now see. Okay, what I am going to try to do, पहले तो मैं इस बैटरी को सही लगा लूँ. मैंने उल्टा लगा दिया था, माइनस प्लस. नाउ लेट्स सी. दिस इज योर आप बोल सकते हो इसको एक फिगर है, रफ फिगर है वेन डायग्राम जनरेटर की. ओके, इट इज़ अ रफ फिगर. नाउ लेट्स सी. आपको पहले तो कंस्ट्रक्शन पता होना चाहिए. इसका क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन है? दिस इज अ कन्वेयर बेल्ट विच इज रिवॉल्विंग. दिस इज अ पुली थ्रू विच कन्वेयर बेल्ट इज रिवॉल्विंग. ओके, एंड देर विल बी अ मोटर पीछे लगा होगा. वी डोंट नीड टू शो दैट. ओके, नाउ हियर दिस इज अ इनपुट वोल्टेज. ओके, एंड दिस इज मेटेलिक ब्रश थ्रू विच input voltage is connected to the conveyor belt. Okay, let me remind you, conveyor belt is a insulated. Okay, it is insulated, or this is a metallic belt through which the charge will go up. That charge will absorb by this metallic brush and will go towards on the surface. Now let's see here what he said. He said कि यहाँ पर यदि कोई चार्ज इस सरफेस पे है प्लस क्यू. ओके, इफ इट इज देयर इज अ चार्ज एट प्लस क्यू ऑन द बिगर स्फेरिकल सरफेस, देन पोटेंशियल इनसाइड द स्फीयर क्या होगा? 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट q by r. Okay, what is the radius? Radius is capital R. Okay, now let's see. Okay, is it clear to you? Now let's see what will happen here. Look at here. इसको हटा देता हूँ मैं, गंदा सा लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, है ना. This is plus point, this is negative point. What is happening is like this कि the electron in this conducting sphere are coming in this brush. Okay, this. और एक काम करते हैं, आप उसी तरीके से बैटरी लगाओ जिस तरीके से पहले लगाई थी मैंने. ठीक है, क्या होगा इससे फ़ायदा आपका होगा, आप आराम से समझ पाओगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग कि इलेक्ट्रॉन is going towards this brush, metallic brush. Okay, this brush is connected with this insulated conveyor belt, so the electron will stuck with this belt. Okay, कई सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, वे मतलब चिपक जाएंगे, स्टक हो जाएंगे इसके साथ. ओके, मतलब वो ऊपर जा रही है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन उसके ऊपर चिपक के उसके साथ जाएंगे. बट this is insulated, so it will not absorbed by this belt. The electron will not absorbed by this belt. Okay, it just stuck on it. Okay, the electron is going up here. Okay, now what will happen? Let me remove this positive sign with negative sign. Okay, now what will happen? This electron is again absorbed by this brush, metallic brush, and towards this connecting rod it will go on this sphere. Okay, it will go on this spherical surface. Okay, that's how the electron will go up and it will absorbed by this metallical surface. Okay, उस पर कनेक्ट होता रहेगा, उस पर जमा होता रहेगा, ऐड होते रहेंगे हर बार. ओके, कोई दिक्कत? नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, द चार्ज विल गो फ्रॉम दिस नेगेटिव साइड of this battery, electrons stuck on this conveyor belt. Okay, as conveyor belt is insulated, so no charge will absorbed by this conveyor belt. This electron will go there and through this metallic belt, through this metallic brush. Okay, the electron were absorbed by this spherical ball. Okay, and the charge will go add on it. Okay, now let's see. I have one problem with this theory, how it is happening. As we know what we know, कि charge moves towards lower potential higher potential to lower potential. Okay, charge लिखा है ना मैंने. As we know, charge moves towards. Okay, charge लिखा है तो lower ही आएगा. Sorry, if I use charge then it will come lower. Your theory is current moves from higher potential to lower potential. That means higher potential to lower potential current moves. So charge will move lower potential to higher potential, lower potential to higher potential. So to make the electron moves from here to here, here to here, we have to do one thing, that the potential of this sphere should be greater than the potential of this conveyor belt or this charge. Okay, how we can do this? Okay, now let's see. मैं आपको दो तरीके से समझाने वाला हूँ उसको, जैसे बुक में है और जैसे अभी समझा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, दो पार्ट होंगे यहाँ पे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द पोटेंशियल ऑफ द चार्ज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. पोटेंशियल ऑफ द electron. What will be the potential of the electron? Let's see. 1/4 pi epsilon naught minus e by r. जिस रेडियस पे जाएगा, यहाँ पे जाएगा ना, this sphere, this electron will go in this sphere. Okay, we can assume this. Okay, we can do this one thing, like कि मेटेलिक स्फीयर को यहाँ डाल, इसको मेटेलिक ब्रश को यहाँ डाल दो. Okay, now it is clear to you. Okay, if the charge on if the potential of electron is 1/4 pi epsilon naught E by R, and which is negative, so put the negative sign here. Okay, and the previous potential of this point, previous potential, what was the previous potential? Initial potential on the sphere कितना था? 1/4 pi epsilon naught. The external charge, that was minus q by the radius capital. This was the initial potential, and this is the potential carried by the electron, one electron. This is the potential carried by the one electron. This is the potential carried potential, initial potential here inside the sphere, as I told you before. Okay, तो total potential कितना हो जाएगा? How much was the total potential? Easily simple addition, as potential is not a vector quantity, so we can add them directly. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E by small r. Okay, minus minus get common, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught get common, q by r plus E by r. This is negative potential. Okay, now let's see. Here the potential is V equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by capital R plus E by r. Okay, and here the potential on the surface, the potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, which is negative. कौन बड़ा है? Which is greater? Which is greater? This is lower, this is greater. भाई इसमें कुछ ऐड हो रहा है, निगेटिव में है, तो ये -5 मान लो. दिस इज स्मॉलर, इसको -3 मान लो, है ना? सॉरी, दैट इज -5, दैट इज सॉरी कहाँ गया ये, दैट इज -5, दैट इज -3, विच इज ग्रेटर? -5 और -3, एग्जैक्टली -3 इज ग्रेटर, -3 इज ग्रेटर देन -5, सो -5 is smaller than -3, that means, है ना? तो यहाँ का पोटेंशियल कम होगा, यहाँ का पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होगा, हाँ या ना? द पोटेंशियल ऑन दिस स्फीयर इज लेस, पोटेंशियल ऑन दिस स्फीयर इज ग्रेटर. ऑलवेज ऐसा हमेशा रहेगा क्या? हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें हमेशा ये ऐड जरूर होगा, हर इलेक्ट्रॉन पे ये ऐड होगा. या वी नो दैट चार्ज Q is increasing on this surface, so the potential will always increase. Okay, numerically, actually it is numerically, but if I do with the sign, so then it will come negative, greater negative, it will come less negative. Okay, so higher potential will be obtained by the outer surface in negative, and lower potential will obtained by the inner sphere in negative. Okay, so there will be a potential difference, and as we write where were हाँ कि जो चार्ज है will go move towards lower potential to higher potential. Okay, and which charge? Let me see. Electron moves towards lower potential to higher potential. If electron is moving from lower potential to higher potential, so lower potential is here, as it is greater negative, -5 it is, and it is less negative. It will always obtain, this potential difference is always obtained by this generator. So the electron will move towards here. Okay, that's how the Van de Graaff generator works. Now this is how the negative charge is obtained on the surface of a conductor. Okay, this is how we can obtain negative charge on a conductor. Now let's see how to obtain positive charge on a conductor. Okay, सेम तरीका है, कोई तरीका चेंज नहीं है, केवल और केवल थ्योरी है. Let me remind you. Okay, this is a less important thing, not a important one कि बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Van de Graaff generator is not a big deal. This is नीली नीली अंबर पर चांद जब आए. Now let's see. ठीक है, हाँ यहाँ पे हमने ब्रश लगा दिया, टक 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 टक. चलो ठीक है. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, बेस बना दो, काम बताओ. हाँ, तो now what will happen? Positive charge is go from here, or actually positive charge is not move. याद रखना, positive charge never move. Okay, electrons moves. Okay, so what will happen now कि the electrons on the surface of the sphere will move towards here, and when the electron moves towards here, it will stuck on the conveyor belt and go down, then it will go inside the positive charge, and पॉजिटिव चार्ज में इलेक्ट्रॉन घुसेगा, इधर से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल के धरती में समा जाएगा. दैट्स वाई वी हैव ग्राउंडेड दिस. ओके, दिस इज ग्राउंडेड, earthed by us. Okay, so electron will go down, electron will come from the surface, and if electrons is released by a surface, it get positively charged. Okay, now if electron wants to move from here to here, then now the higher potential will be here and lower potential will be here. Is it true or not? Please. हाँ, ऐसा होना चाहिए. If electron was moving from here to here, then it was lower, it was higher. हाँ, यही था. Now the electron is moving from here to here, so it should be lower, it should be higher. How we obtain this potential as higher potential and this at negative potential? How we'll do this? Okay, let's see. ऑब्वियस सी बात है, वही करेंगे जो पहले किया. ओके, नाउ electron is coming from here to here. Okay, here to here. So we can say that a proton or a positive electron is coming from here. We can say ना, अपन लोग ये भी तो बोल सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से यहाँ आ रहा है, इसका मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है ना, कैसा भी कह सकते हैं. So the potential taken by this electron on this surface of this sphere, small sphere, what will be the potential? 1/4 pi epsilon naught q नहीं, E by R. This should be positive. And the initial potential, what was the initial potential as in the sphere? जो स्फीयर के अंदर था, जो चार्ज था, वो कितना, उसकी वजह से कितना पोटेंशियल था. इस पर यदि प्लस क्यू चार्ज है तो व्हाट विल बी द पोटेंशियल? 1/4 पाई क्यू अपॉन कैपिटल. सो टोटल पोटेंशियल कितना हो जाएगा? सिंपल एडिशन, 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट ई बाई आर प्लस क्यू बाई कैपिटल आर. या इज इट ट्रू? नाउ इट इज पॉजिटिव, इट इज लेस पॉजिटिव, it is higher positive, it is less positive. The potential on this sphere will be higher, this on this sphere or external sphere will be lower. मतलब हुआ कुछ नहीं है, चीज़ वही है, बस नेगेटिव साइन पॉजिटिव साइन की वजह से जो थ्योरी है वो चेंज हो गई, कॉन्सेप्ट है वो चेंज हो गया ड्यू टू द नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव साइंस है ना, SIGNS. the theory has just opposite. Okay, but that's how if we take this positive sign here, so we get positive charge, and if negative sign here we get negative charge. Okay, and if we put two Venn diagram generator having positive charge and negative charge, ठीक है, having positive charge and negative charge equal to each other but opposite. Okay, so we can accelerate the charge as positive, higher positive and negative, higher negative comes together. Okay, so a very strong electric field will generate, so the air in between this will get ionized, or the electron of this air will go accelerated. So we can generate 5 megavolt potential on the surface of the conductor through Venn diagram generator. It is a very easy process. Okay, we can generate 5 megavolt. It is a very mega, बहुत बड़ा वोल्टेज है. ओके, उतना तक हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं Venn diagram जनरेटर से. ओके, और कुछ नहीं है इसमें, नथिंग इज इन द Venn diagram जनरेटर. ओके, तो उतारो उसको, उतार लिया, कुछ नहीं है. नाउ आई वॉज होपिंग that the syllabus of the capacitance was completed, but there was a topic Venn diagram generator, so I have to complete this also. So कल की जो क्लास होगी, next class will be on the numerical class, in which we are going to do some numerical on NCERT app, NCERT book. So please try to solve those numerical before. On the capacitor, our numerical will be on basically on the capacitor, as potential of the first part of this chapter, electric potential, was completed by the previous sir, okay, the previous teacher. So I'll do only capacitance numerical. ओके जैसा कि आज हमने वेन डायग्राम पढ़ा है, तो वेन डायग्राम जनरेटर पे एक क्वेश्चन है. ओके, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑन वेन डायग्राम जनरेटर इन एनसीईआरटी बुक. सो लेट मी रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर है 35 नंबर क्वेश्चन है. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. ओके, जस्ट यूजिंग द डिजिट ऑफ इट. इन दैट क्वेश्चन we have given the voltage that is equal to 15 into 10 to the power 6 volt. 10 to the power 6 का मतलब होता है मेगा वोल्ट. ओके, याद रखना. तो दिस इज वोल्टेज इज गिवन which is given in the question, and that voltage is held by a Venn diagram generator. Okay, spherical surface, and we have given the electric field. Okay, the name of electric field in that question is given as the dielectric strength. So the name is changed, okay, to make you confuse. Okay, but it is nothing but electric field. So how will you identify this? पहले बात तो याद कर लो नाम, डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ को भी हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बोलते हैं. ओके, और you can identify by this unit. Unit is volt per meter. Volt per meter is equal to Newton per coulomb, and that is the unit of electric field. Both are the unit of electric field. How it comes? V by L equal to electric field. As you know. You don't know? I think you should know. Okay, and no, Newton per coulomb you just know. भैया Q इंटू ई इक्वल टू होता है फोर्स. यू शुड नो दिस फॉर्मूला. Q इंटू ई इक्वल टू होता है फोर्स. सो E इक्वल टू होता है फोर्स अपॉन Q. सो न्यूटन पर कूलम. ओके, सो इन दैट क्वेश्चन you will read that question and you get to know what you have to do. That E into L is equal to voltage. In that question you are asked a question of the radius of sphere of Venn diagram generator. The question is asked that what is the radius of Venn diagram generator sphere. Okay, if the potential is generated by the Venn diagram is 15 into 10 to the power 6 volt, and the electric field or the dielectric strength is 5 into 10 to the power 7 volt per meter. So now you just have to do a formula E equal to E into R by equal to V, or this thing, just do this 15 into 10 to the power 6 upon 5 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so this will come 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 meter, और इसको आप लिख सकते हो 30 सेंटीमीटर. आई थिंक सो 30 सेंटीमीटर. दिस विल बी योर रेडियस. 30 सेंटीमीटर मतलब काफ़ी बड़ा है. 30 सेंटीमीटर में वो 1 फीट का जो स्केल आता है, दैट इज़ द रेडियस. इतना रेडियस होगा कम से कम. ओके, अप्रॉक्सीमेट इतना रेडियस होगा, तो काफ़ी बड़ा गोल होगा. ओके, द स्फीयर शुड बी ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस. ओके, तो आपको इतना पता चल गया है. तो यहाँ से द थ्योरी ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड नाउ, ओवर नाउ. And in the next class we are going to perform some numerical on capacitance. So stay tuned with me. Thank you everyone.